What's up, guys? Today's vlog starts off, Sundays. Try to keep it chill, usually. Kick it with the fam. So I actually sleep in, yeah, I do. Because there's something to be said for at least once a week when my kids jump on me and wake me up. That's just kind of, at the purest form. Daddy's home. They want to come give you a big hug. Nothing can replace that. But then I decided, I need to get back on 800 meters. I've been doing 400 meter lunges. Need to get back on 800. So started off the day with 800 meters of lunges, listening to some audiobooks, and just get my mind right for what's going to be a fantastic week. Now I think there's nothing better than Sunday, Monday, kind of starting off on the right foot. I got some honey-do lists, just like anybody else, meaning once I get home, stuff got to be done outside, take out the garbage, normal ass shit. But that's how I started the day. It's good. Challenging myself to keep up these GLOCKs and really starting to get focused with the Arnold coming up, get that conditioning in, and feels good. Feels real good. So talk to you guys soon. All right, heading up to my neighbors to go shoot new gun I bought. Can't wait to check it out. Little Glock 9 action. Let's go!
Those little plies on the left are tough.
Yeah, I know.
They're small.
I'm gonna try this one over here.
Glad you came over, Alex.
Now at AG's basketball practice. Sunday's day of rest for some people, but when you're a dad at 3, not so much. Looking forward to Monday. See y'all. Peace.